Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. This is your buddy Crypto Profit back with another one, and we are going to be taking a look at THETA. But before we do so, let's take a look at the current market prices. We see right now Bitcoin hit its all-time high earlier today in the stream. If you didn't see it live, go back and check the stream out. We actually saw Bitcoin hit its highest point of, well, ever. And we also congratulated all the people who made a lot of money on the Decentraland, double their money. That was a big deal. But right now we see that it's 6.68% increase in the last 24 hours, which is a crazy good news for anybody with any coins in the market, whether you went down or up. This is really just, it's good news because any coin gaining value is going to create value in your coin. It's just how it works. And before we get looking into the exact price prediction of THETA, we're going to look at the THETA website and really understand what we have here. So THETA is the next generation video delivery system powered by you. THETA Mainnet 3.0 introducing T-Fuel staking and uptime mining. This is going to be huge. It's unbelievably, it's going to be a huge big thing for THETA basically. 38 days, 19 hours, 15 minutes, 17 seconds, and you can join today to download the THETA Edge node to participate. Hot off the press, THETA Network launches in Japan with Line Blockchain THETA.tv app. Live partners include THETA.tv, Samsung VR, G Fuel, and Steve Shen is the co-founder. You can read all about what his innovation is to disrupt today's online video industry, much in the same that YouTube platform did in traditional video back in 2005. It's kind of like the Justin.tv to Twitch.tv as well. It's that and much more. There's a lot to go over here, and I won't go over all of it. I just want you guys to realize how big this is. It's enterprise validator nodes. We have Google, Sunny, Samsung, Binance, Blockchain, Gumi, and we have in the news, we have things like Forbes, NASDAQ, Windows Central, Altcoin Today, just pretty much all the big ones, Bitcoin Exchange Guide, and you can go forever on that. But yeah, they had a recent news with the THETA network launching in Japan with Line Blockchain THETA.tv app. But you can really just figure out that THETA blockchain is the only end-to-end infrastructure for decentralized video streaming and delivery that provides both technical and economic solutions. This is the one of the most exciting new blockchain ventures I have heard about. That's from the Huffington Post. But yeah, there's a problem. The content creator of the video platform to the centralized CDN, and then you have the viewer, poor quality. And this is all the so-called problems that they come up with. Poor quality, skyrocketing data needs, centralized and inefficient system. And they have the solution, everybody. So this is actually a really cool little graph here. It explains viewers earn rewards as THETA fuel, higher quality and smoother video streaming, and reduced cost of delivering video streams. So it's an open source platform, and basically you can read all about that in the THETA documentation, the streaming ecosystem, the technical advancements, and then you can read about the leadership as well on the blockchain team. We won't do any of that right now. I just want you guys to get a quick overview of what THETA is and why it is going to be a big deal in 2021, and maybe the start of 2022 may be the actually biggest part of THETA. So with the mainnet 3.0 launching with T-Fuel staking and uptime mining, that is going to be a big deal. So in 38 days is what we have. 38 days is going to be the big launch. And depending on that launch, you're going to see a big uproar in THETA's price, or, maybe a decline or a standstill. But right now, what I can tell you is at 1 month, we see THETA at 130% increase in 1 month. In the last week alone, 65% increase. Last 24 hours, we finally see a little bit of a correction, that negative 2.78%. And we have a market cap at about 6.9 billion, volume in the last 24 hours standing at 404.3 million, and then the circulating supply, of course, at that 1 billion THETA. Before I tell you my price predictions, I do want you guys to understand I am not a financial advisor. I do not give you guys any financial advice. I just give you my best knowledge on crypto information and the most recent knowledge on the cryptocurrency that we go over each and every day. So today, THETA is the one we're going to be looking at. With that 11,000% increase in the last year alone, we're going to see big things for THETA in the near future. $6.86, in just years, like a year ago. You're seeing 60 cents, 70 cents, 40, 20, 30, 10. We're seeing a lot of, obviously a large 11,000% increase. And it's because Theta has a lot of promise. It has a long-term solution to a lot of problems that we're facing in a growing category. So it's obviously going to be growing because of, well, it's a needed coin. And so we're going to look at what we think it's going to end up being by the end of March. And first, I'll say I think I see Theta increasing to about 750 and kind of staying in that area for March. The only reason I say that is because of this huge increase that we saw. It's going to need time to stabilize. The good news is after that huge increase to $8, it did stabilize at $6. And if we go to the all, we can see in the price chart, actually we'll go to the 1 year, you can see that we had a stabilization after a huge increase here, January 2nd to 240. It stabilized out at about $2. Here we had a huge increase to that 801, and now it looks like it may stabilize out at about 680, which would be an amazing spot for it to stabilize out before its next huge increase. I think that next huge increase may be in April. I think when the stimulus comes back, and I know I use that a lot, but it really is going to accumulate a lot of money being tossed around. And when Theta becomes easier to get to as well, a lot of you guys asking how to get Theta, there's a lot of different answers for that. Unfortunately, none of them are as easy as, just quick, get on Coinbase, get on crypto.com, get on Binance. I mean, they're not simple for people in the US, unfortunately. However, Theta is a huge coin, and it's definitely got the potential to go the long haul. So we see it now slowly sitting about 680. This is why I see a huge jump in April with the stimulus check, and then we're getting actually closer to this huge Theta mainnet 3.0 launch. I see Theta getting all the way to 950, and I don't know if I see it breaking 10 or not, but I could see it breaking 10. Theta has the potential. It definitely has what it takes. By the end of the year, this is going to be my long-term goal or prediction for Theta. It's going to be about $15 to $20, and I'm going to say 15 to be safe, but $20 is definitely a potential possibility. If it goes to $20, I won't be surprised. However, I will definitely be happy. Theta is one of those projects that you really believe in or you don't, and I truly believe in Theta. I think it has what it takes, like I always tell you. And before you invest, always do your own research. And what I will suggest is adding it to your watch list. Maybe just watch it and do a little bit of your own research before investing. I know we do pretty much daily videos over Theta, so if you're into Theta, subscribe and like the video. Let me know that you want more daily videos of Theta before I move on to new coins if we lose interest. But thanks again, guys, for tuning in. Like I always tell you, comment the coins you want me to look at in the comments below. I will definitely take a look at all of the comments. I always try to, heart all of them or respond to what I can. But obviously, as the channel grows, it's going to be harder and harder to do so. So thanks again. I will never forget all of you guys that have been here since the beginning. Just 9 days ago, we were at 0 subscribers, and today we went over the 3,000 mark with 900 yesterday subscribers, and today we had over 1,000 subscribers on the channel. I know the price predictions have been pretty great so far. I will say it won't always be perfect, but I can't wait until another huge price prediction like Decentraland happens again, and we get a good stream going. That was a great time, and I appreciate everyone tuning in today. But that's going to be all for you guys. Leave a like and subscribe for more content. Hit that notification bell to really support us. Thanks again. See you in the next video.